Hi traders, happy new month. Welcome to the month of November. I wish you a profitable month. Okay, and welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be looking at an exciting topic, and the topic says how to convert any Forex indicator into an expert advisor. Okay, so maybe you have been seeking an expert advisor, but perhaps you maybe you don't exactly have the resources to get one, or for one reason or the other, you have been unable to get an expert advisor yet, for one reason or another. Okay, and maybe you know of an indicator that has been doing well for you in terms of um, you know, successful trades, and you have been wondering how you could automate signals from this indicator, then you are in the right place, because in this video we are going to be looking at how you can convert a Forex indicator into an EA so that it can execute trades for you automatically. You won't have to manually do everything. Okay, and peradventure, if you are looking for an EA, maybe you don't exactly have a specific strategy, the Forex Geek offers a free expert advisor, so you might also want to check that out. Okay, you can check the description and you can decide to try out the EA. Okay, just follow the link in the description and you can try out this free expert advisor. Okay, so let us get right into it. How to convert any Forex indicator into an expert advisor, right? Okay, now imagine your best indicator working around the clock, right? Capturing every trading opportunity, even while you sleep. Well, that's what an EA can do for you, right? So I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make this happen using MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. In this particular video, I'm using the MetaTrader 4 platform, okay? So let's jump right in. First, let's talk about why you might want to convert an indicator to an EA, okay? An EA, or expert advisor, is essentially a trading program that can make decisions based on signals from indicators and execute trades without manual input. Unlike regular indicators that show signals, an EA can act on those signals automatically. This means you're not tied to your computer and your strategies can trade 24/7, which is a huge advantage in the Forex market. Now, why automate? With an EA, you can avoid emotional decisions and let a set of rules. You can avoid emotional decisions and let a set of rules govern your trades. For example, if you have an indicator that consistently gives great buy or sell signals, converting it into an EA can ensure that those signals turn into real trades instantly, right? All right, so let's get into the actual steps of converting an indicator into an EA. Okay, so the first step is to select your, the first step is to select your indicator. All right, that is the first step. The first step is to select your indicator. Okay, so you have to choose an indicator that you've tested and trusted, and an indicator that you've tested and you trust, right? And it should be something you are confident will perform well in various market conditions, okay? As EAs require consistent logic to function effectively. All right, now the next step, after you have selected your indicator, the next step is understand EA requirements. Okay, understand EA requirements, very important. An EA must include the rules for when to enter and exit trades. Okay, this might sound technical, but think of it as just automating the same conditions you'd use if you were trading manually with that indicator. All right, now the step 3 is to code your EA. Okay, step 3 is code your EA. All right, that is the third step. Now, if you're familiar with coding, you can write the EA directly within MetaTrader using MQL4 for MT4 or MQL5 for MT5. Okay, but don't worry if you are not a coder. There are tools like the Expert Advisor Builder or programs that can help convert indicators into EAs with minimal coding. Okay, you simply define your rules and the program will do the hard work for you. Okay, now once your EA is ready, it's essential to test it. Okay, testing helps you see how it performs in different market conditions and allows you to make adjustments to optimize results. Now you have to start with backtesting in the strategy tester of MetaTrader using historical data to simulate trades. Then you run your EA on a demo account for forward testing just to make sure it handles real market conditions well. Okay, back testing is not enough. Okay, in as much as back testing is proper good, back testing is not enough. All right, it's good to also do forward testing before you apply the EA into real markets, into real account. Okay, before you inculcate it into a real account, it's important that you test it on demo. Do forward testing, see how the EA responds to real market conditions. All right, okay, so it's good that you do both back testing and forward testing. Okay, testing and optimization are crucial because they help you avoid errors and refine your EA's performance. Many traders skip this step, but it's one of the best ways to make sure your EA is ready for live trading. Now that you know how to convert your indicator into an EA, you are ready to start automating your trades. Okay, take the time to choose the right indicator, understand the conversion process, and test thoroughly. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tips and tutorials on Forex trading and automation. All right, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which indicator you are planning to convert into an EA, or if there's anything specific you would like me to cover in future videos. Until next time, trade smart and stay disciplined.